Welcome to SFK Global. Get ready to explore the world's most powerful and impressive heavy machinery. These giants are reshaping construction and mining with their incredible size, strength, and precision. Let's dive into this amazing world and see these machines in action. The ETF4 quarry dump truck is an exceptional piece of machinery designed for off-road conditions. It features an all-wheel drive system and all-wheel steering control, ensuring optimal maneuverability in rugged terrains. This dump truck is built to handle heavy loads, providing efficiency in material transport. Its engineering sets new standards for performance in the quarry and construction industries. The ThyssenKrupp's Advanced Barracuda Rotary Excavator is a cutting-edge machine used in mining operations. Capable of managing up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, it ensures continuous and efficient coal extraction. This innovative equipment lowers operating costs while enhancing safety and environmental sustainability. By eliminating the need for blasting, it sets new benchmarks in the mining industry. The Volvo excavator represents a significant advancement in excavation technology, offering improved efficiency and intelligence over previous models. With a long bucket and enhanced hydraulic systems, it can clear debris and perform heavy-duty tasks with ease. This excavator is designed to handle various environments and materials, making it suitable for construction and mining projects. Its reliability and performance make it a top choice among contractors. The Lièvre R964C demolition cutter is a powerful construction machine equipped with large cutting tools for significant demolition tasks. It excels in demolishing buildings and large structures, capable of cutting and removing concrete slabs and steel structures with impressive efficiency. Its specialized design ensures that even the most challenging materials can be handled smoothly and safely. This machine is essential for complex demolition projects, maximizing productivity. The Collins Earthworks Dynamic Compaction Machine is an engineering marvel designed to compact large volumes of soil efficiently. Operating at construction sites, it can compact over 10,000 cubic meters of soil, creating a solid foundation for various projects. Its advanced technology ensures precision and speed, saving significant time and resources during project preparation. The Brewer Robo Max JD is an advanced turf harvester designed for efficiency and ease of operation. Capable of operating with just one person, it can drop pallets and continue harvesting without needing additional equipment. This modern grass harvester is highly effective, producing consistent pallet sizes even in soft conditions. Its robotic stacking system enhances operational productivity by effortlessly transferring harvested materials. The CAT Model 320D amphibious excavator is engineered for shallow water tasks like dredging and trench clearing. Unlike traditional barge dredges, it maneuvers on sealed pontoons, providing stability without the need for external support. This machine features a patented motor system for propulsion and 360 degrees rotation, offering versatility in various environments. It is a valuable asset for projects that require operation in marshy or flooded areas. The Falcon 9 is a reusable rocket developed by SpaceX, designed for efficient transport of payloads into space. Known for its impressive length and capabilities, it has transformed the landscape of space travel with its ability to return and land safely. The rocket's engineering allows for rapid turnaround times between launches, significantly reducing costs. Its success has positioned SpaceX as a leader in aerospace technology. The John Diaz 672 GP is a powerful motor grader designed for heavy-duty tasks in road construction and maintenance. Equipped with a robust engine, it delivers exceptional performance in grading and leveling surfaces. Its precision engineering ensures optimal results in large-scale projects. This machine is a reliable choice for contractors and construction companies. Bale forks are essential farm machinery for lifting and transporting large hay bales. They feature sturdy prongs that can be attached to tractors or loaders, enabling farmers to lift and shift bales with ease. A popular model is the TDD series, which accommodates various bale sizes and shapes, making it versatile for different farming tasks. These forks significantly enhance efficiency on the farm. The milling rotor snowblower is designed to revolutionize snow removal in harsh winter conditions. Introduced in 1953, this machine can effectively clear large amounts of snow, especially in areas buried under up to 20 meters of snow. Its innovative design ensures efficiency and effectiveness, making it crucial for maintaining road safety in snowy regions. The snowblower's capabilities significantly improve the speed and reliability of snow clearing operations. The LTM 1450 in 8.1 crane features a versatile 85-meter telescopic boom that can be extended with folding or luffing jibs. This crane utilizes reliable telematics for global mobility, allowing for quick setup and efficient operation. The Eco Mode and EC Drive features help reduce fuel consumption by 10% while maintaining a substantial load capacity of 450 tons. Its design promotes sustainability and cost-effectiveness in lifting operations. The Morbark PSP Pole Peeler is a versatile machine designed to handle logs ranging from 6 to 25 feet in length and 3 to 12 inches in diameter. It boasts peeling speeds of up to 40 feet per minute, thanks to its split peeling head equipped with carbide-tipped cutting teeth. This efficient design allows for the removal of bark and knots in a single pass, producing a smooth surface. Its high speed and effectiveness make it a valuable tool in wood processing. The Sample Rosen Loop Comia C12 is an advanced combine harvester designed to operate efficiently in various terrains. Weighing 13 tons and equipped with a 450-liter fuel tank, this machine is built for reliability. Its 6-meter-wide harvesting head and spacious material storage tank, holding up to 7,600 liters, maximize harvesting capacity. With a robust 300-horsepower engine, it can achieve speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour for swift movement between harvesting zones. The Robert-mounted stump grinder is a versatile attachment designed for excavators, accommodating weights between 2.5 to 8 tons. Featuring a robust 20 mm thick disc and 5 to 9 repositionable carbide teeth, it ensures extended service life and optimal performance. This machine excels in efficiently trimming stumps and roots, making it an invaluable tool in forestry and landscaping. Its adaptability allows for seamless integration with various excavator models.
Fearless.